Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all very well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what are we going to do in today's video? In today's video, we are going to discuss the basic conversation which we need to do when we meet someone in French. The conversation will be in the formal manner. And I'm very sure that if you'll watch the video till the end, you'll be able to speak French fluently in just 5 minutes. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's get started. Now, what is there in the video? In the video, in the first part, I will be actually discussing the dialogue of the conversation with you, and you will be repeating the dialogue after me. I will also telling you the meaning of the dialogue and the pronunciation of the dialogue. Okay, and in the second part of the video, I'm sure if you'll repeat the dialogue with me, you will be able to speak fluently. So let's get started. So what is happening in the scene? In the scene, you can see a man is meeting a woman. Okay, and now a man is meeting a woman, so he needs to say hi, hello, good morning to the woman. So what will he say in French? He'll say bonjour madame. Repeat with me. Bonjour madame. Again, bonjour madame. Very good. Next, the woman will also greet the man, and she'll say bonjour monsieur. Repeat with me. Bonjour monsieur. Again, bonjour monsieur. Very good. It means hi, hello, good morning, sir. Okay. Next, you can see now the man is asking the woman, how are you? So the man will say, comment allez-vous? Repeat with me. Comment allez-vous? Again, comment allez-vous? Very good. So the man is saying, comment allez-vous? Now, the woman will reply, I am good, thank you, and you. So she'll say, je vais bien, merci, et vous? Repeat with me, je vais bien, merci, et vous? Again, je vais bien, merci, et vous? Very good. Very good. Next, the man is saying, I'm good, thank you, bye. So he'll say in French, je vais bien, merci, au revoir. Repeat with me. Je vais bien, merci, au revoir. Again. Je vais bien, merci, au revoir. Very good. Now, the woman will say bye to the man. So, in French, woman will say au revoir. Repeat with me. Au revoir. Again. Au revoir. Very good. So, I think you have understood the meaning and the pronunciation of the dialogue. Now, we'll be actually talking to each other. So, let's get started. I will be the man and you will be the woman. So, I will repeat the dialogues of the man and you will repeat the dialogues of the woman. So, let's get started. So, I'm saying, bonjour madame. Now you say, reply to me. Very good, very nice. Bonjour monsieur. Very good. Comment allez-vous? You answer me. Very good. Je vais bien, merci. Et vous? Very good. Very good. Je vais bien, merci. Au revoir. Reply to me. Very good. Au revoir. Very good. So, you have learned to speak French in just 5 minutes. Merci. Thank you very much. And if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please let me know in the comment sections what more topics you want I should make the video on. I will be very happy to make the videos on the topic you want to listen. So please write in the comment sections. Au revoir.